In this video, I will show you how to use Wildcard in Fantasy Premier League. The method is straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so using wildcards in Fantasy Premier League or the FPL can be a strategic move for a lot of reasons because the FPL wildcard allows you to make unlimited transfers without point deductions for one specific game week, and it provides an opportunity to overhaul your team because wildcards can be strategically used in the season to address your issues with your team, such as underperforming players, injuries, or fixture difficulties. So, using your wildcard effectively can help you maximize points, alright? Okay, so if you don't have a Premier League account yet, you might want to go to premierleague.com, create your account, okay, and log in using your credentials. All right, after doing that, we go here at the Fantasy Premier League help. I'm gonna zoom in out for you guys. So what is a wild card? Okay, a wild card allows you to make unlimited free transfers throughout a game week. Okay, and that being said, of course, playing a wild card will remove any point deductions from transfers already made in the same week. So whenever you play a wild card, when you want to make multiple changes to your team, for example, game weeks when teams are playing more than once, or when your team is underperforming or has a lot of injuries, so it's basically a genius move, right? So when can I play a wild card? So basically, the wild card chip can be used twice a season. The first wild card will be available from the start of the season until December 30, Saturday. It's the time here is given here. The second wild card will be available after December 30, right here, in readiness for the January transfer window opening and remain available until the end of the season. So wild cards are played on the transfer page but aren't active until you have confirmed the transfers. So what happens to my save transfer when I use my wildcard? So whenever playing a wildcard, any save fee transfers will be lost. So take note of that. You will be back at the usual one free transfer the following game week. And for example, you decide to cancel your wildcard. Well, I'm sorry guys, but once you have confirmed your wildcard, it is final and can't be reversed under any circumstances. And do all transfers have to be made at the same time when using your wildcard? Okay, so I suggest you go here at the Fantasy Premier League help regarding about wildcards, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.